Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your weekend update and your daily update on Luna Classic. We'll cover everything you need to know. Again, yesterday we got some bullish momentum actually in the evening, which was pretty funny to see. I mean, but so far, I mean, the thing is to dive right into it. I mean, welcome back, but we're diving right into the video. Then it's not too long, and you can just easily watch it. We've seen these spikes before, right? I mean, basically since we topped out at the beginning of December, Luna Classic has been bearish, and we've seen spikes, but the spikes have been getting a little bit smaller and smaller. All right, so this again is another one of those spikes. I mean, you can easily see them on the chart, right? It's not that look, it's still I do still think it's good news, because you need, at some point of time, you need spikes like this and buys and momentum like that to push the price up. And in this case, it also means that the market structure, it was already consolidating, so it was already pretty neutral on the short term. But now it's 100% neutral. I mean, we're kind of just consolidating here in an area between 17,000 and then 15,500 or 15,000. I mean, there's a ton of support between 14,500 and 15,500. So that's the situation, and that situation is not bad. But the thing is, and we've spoken about this every single video in the last week, the only way in which Luna Classic can rally is fundamentals. All right, I must say, I mean, the technicals right now do look a little bit better. Like I said, I mean, yesterday in the evening we got some spikes, and that did cause the open interest temporarily to be a bit higher, and now it's also growing again. So the open interest is up since yesterday, about 10%, something like that. So that's good, because that means that a little bit more momentum has built up into the price, which increases the chance of a breakout by a little bit. I mean, not much. I'm not expecting a bullish breakout right now. But the thing is, like I said, we're reliant on fundamentals. And at some point of time, I'm pretty sure we're going to get an update on the whole Luna Classic USDC situation. I'm not too worried about that. So we'll still get bullish momentum from that at some point of time. But who knows how long it could take. I mean, the Luna Classic USDC talks, when did they start? I'm not even sure when they started. Maybe last year already. And then beginning of December and in November, we got some more news. So that can still take some time. So the big question is will we drop down much lower before that? So about those fundamentals, I'm not worried. But right now, we also have the potential with some other potentially bullish fundamentals. One of them is the tax policy to 1.5%. Yesterday in the video I said, oh, bad news for Luna Classic. This is the bad news. I mean, the no's are going to outperform the yes. So this is probably not going to pass, which is a shame, because that would have created quite a lot of bullish momentum. But right now, there are some other proposals, like burning the 800 million USDC funds, which, you know, do have a chance of passing. I'm not sure necessarily what the turnout has to be or what the threshold has to be. But this has, this has some potential. And then we have some other ones, other proposals, which are all, you know, bullish for Luna Classic that could add up to this one. I mean, this one is the bigger, the big one. Tax policy was bigger, but that's not going to pass. Like I said, still 2 days, so I'll follow it, but still. So that has the potential, a minor potential, to cause a breakout. And like most of you know, the breakout we're looking for is a breakout above 17,500. So the chances of something like this have increased, but it's not enough for me to say that this is the most likely scenario. It's something that can happen, but for now, I still think the most likely scenario is just a consolidation in this area between 15,500 and 17,000. All right. So I don't expect anything right now except for stability, which is also pretty good, all right, after dropping down so much. But those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. And for now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend and bye.